If you're completely new to Pixefy and wondering how to get started, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know from creating your account and navigating the dashboard to using the platform's key features step by step. Whether you're looking to create stunning visuals, improve your workflow, or simply learn how Pixefy works, this guide is designed for absolute beginners. No prior experience is needed. And of course, we will explain everything in a simple and easy to follow way. So if you want to get started, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So let's begin. Pixefy is a browser-based responsive testing and website review tool designed to help users check how websites appear across multiple screen sizes at the same time. Instead of constantly resizing browser windows or switching between devices, Pixefy lets you preview several device layouts side by side in a single workspace. The platform is primarily built for web developers, UI and UX designers, QA testers, SEO specialists, and digital marketers, and the goal is to make responsive design testing faster and more efficient. Now, when you visit the official website, which is www.pixefy.io, you'll immediately notice several menu options at the top of the website. The most important ones for beginners are the features, blog, what's new, the pricing, and the get extension. Let's go through each one. Now, the features is where Pixefy showcases all the tools included in the platform. You have the responsive testing, inspect, screenshot, and all the different features. And of course, you also have the blog. The blog serves as the Pixefy's educational hub where users can learn more about responsive design, website testing, development best practices, accessibility, and product-related tutorials. Now, for beginners, blog is a great place to deepen your understanding of website optimization and responsive testing. The What's New serves as Pixefy's changelog and update center. This is where the team publishes announcements about new features, improvements, bug fixes, and product updates. Now, before we start using Pixefy's tools, let's take a quick look at the pricing plans so you know exactly what features you'll get and which plan makes the most sense for your goals, needs, and budget. Let's begin with the free plan. The free plan costs €0 per month and is designed for users who need a quick responsive design checks. So if you're a beginner, website owner, blogger, student, or someone who only occasionally tests websites across different devices, this plan will likely cover your needs. Because with the free plan, you will get access to multi-screen previews, allowing you to view your website on multiple device sizes simultaneously. You can test up to 6 screens at the same time, making it easy to spot layout issues across desktop, tablet, and mobile views. You also have access to built-in high-resolution presets, basic inspections, element spacing measurements, instant screenshots, and annotations, and these tools are perfect for quick checking responsiveness, documenting issues, and sharing feedback with team members or clients. Now, for many casual users, these features are more than enough to ensure a website looks great across different screen sizes. Now, let's take a look at the Pro plan. The Pro plan costs €4 per month when billed annually. It's designed for professionals who need deeper debugging, design validation, accessibility testing, and advanced workflow tools. Everything included in the free plan is available here. But you will unlock several powerful features that can dramatically improve productivity. Number one is going to be the unlimited screens. Instead of being limited to 6 views, you can test as many screen sizes as necessary for larger projects. You also gain access to single screen view and split view, giving you more flexibility when reviewing layouts and comparing design side by side. Now, for teams managing multiple websites, the projects feature helps organize your work, while the custom resolutions allow you to test specific device dimensions that may not be available in the default presets. Designers will appreciate tools such as image overlays, browser overlays, adaptive grids. These features makes it much easier to perform pixel perfect comparisons between design mockups and the live website. Developers can take advantage of the advanced inspect, live editing, and the user agent testing, allowing them to inspect elements more deeply, make real-time changes, and simulate different browser environments directly inside Pixefy. The Pro plan also includes several accessibility-focused tools such as the accessibility checks and the contrast checker, helping ensure websites are more inclusive and compliant with accessibility standards. Now, for marketers and SEO professionals, Pixefy even includes the on-page SEO analysis, allowing you to review important SEO elements while testing your websites. Additional premium tools include X-ray mode and the activity log, which helps streamline quality assurance workflows and make tracking changes much easier. So which plan should you choose? If you're just getting started testing personal websites or performing occasional responsive checks, the free plan offers excellent value and provides all the essential tools you'll need. However, if you are a web designer, developer, QA tester, freelancer, agency owner, or someone who regularly reviews websites for clients, the Pro plan can save a significant amount of time and provide access to advanced features that make testing far more efficient. The best part is that you can start with the free plan today, and you can upgrade later whenever your project requires more advanced design, debugging, accessibility, or SEO tools. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below. Now that you understand the pricing option and what each plan includes, let's move on to the next step, which is installing the Pixefy extension on your preferred web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, simply click the first option. If you are a Firefox user like me, select the second option. All I have to do is simple, install the extension, and you'll be ready to get started. It's important to note that the free plan mainly gives you access to the browser extension. You won't be able to access the full Pixefy platform unless you upgrade to a paid plan. However, if you're only looking to perform lightweight tasks or want to explore what Pixefy has to offer, the free extension is a great way to test the waters before committing to a subscription. Of course, once you're ready to unlock more advanced features and wanted to gain full access to the Pixefy platform, you can upgrade to the Pro plan, which opens up the complete set of tools and capabilities available within the platform. Now that we have successfully installed the Pixefy extension on Firefox, let's see how it works in a real-world example. So for this demonstration, I am going to use my own website, which is powered by Squarespace. Now, once you are on the website you want to analyze, simply click on the Pixefy extension icon in the Firefox toolbar, which can be found on the top right corner. This will open the Pixefy panel and gives you access to its available tools and website analysis features. Pixefy is designed to help you quickly evaluate how a website performs across different devices and screen sizes, which is useful for website owners, developers, designers, marketers, and anyone who wants to ensure their site delivers a great user experience. After launching the extension, select the responsiveness or the viewport testing feature, which can be found on the top menu. You see the arrow right here. You can click the drop-down menu. You can click the navigate and then go to the drop-down. You can see you have multiple options. You can use the clicks, scroll, selection, and enable. And then after that, you will notice a plus icon. And if you click on it, this will open the add pane drop-down where you can quickly create different viewport panels to test how a website appears across multiple screen sizes. First option is going to be the responsive pane. This allows you to create a custom viewport that can be resized freely. So for example, you see this arrow right here, you can simply drag and move it to anywhere you are comfortable, which is ideal for testing responsiveness on unique screen dimensions. And below the responsive pane, you'll find several device presets. These are pre-configured screen sizes designed to simulate real-world devices without manually entering dimensions. You can choose from a desktop, and the most popular is going to be the 1920 by 1080 and 1280 by 1024. You can also choose Apple like iMac, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and a lot more. If you choose the tablet, you have multiple options such as 768 by 1024, 810 by 1080, and by device, you also have all these. iPad mini 7th gen, iPad 10th gen, iPad Pro, and by Google, Pixel tablet, Pixel Slate, Pixel C, there's a lot. So for Samsung, Galaxy Tab, S9 Ultra, and for Xiaomi, Pad 7, Pad 7 Pro. Okay? Now, the idea is these options instantly add a new viewing pane based on that device category, allowing you to preview how your website adapts to a different screen sizes. For example, we have added the responsive pane earlier. If you're testing a website like this one, maybe you can add a mobile pane. Let's say we're going to go to the mobile. I'm using Apple, by the way. I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max. If I click on it, what will happen is it will immediately compare how the navigation menu, images and buttons and content layout behave on smartphone versus a desktop screen. So you see with this, the new pane has been added on the right side corner. This feature is useful for web designers, developers, SEO specialists, and website owners who want to identify responsive design issues without constantly switching devices or opening browsers developer tools. You see, right now I'm on the mobile device for iPhone 16 Pro, and at the bottom you will notice the new option here to add a new pane. However, it requires you to upgrade to the Pro plan, but this lets you save custom viewport sizes for future testing. One thing to keep in mind is that some advanced capabilities are locked behind the Pro version. Okay, as you can see from the notification in the right corner, upgrading unlocks all the inspection tools and the ability to test websites with greater flexibility. Using the Add Pane feature, you can quickly build a multi-device environment in exactly how your website performs on different devices, like for example, tablet, desktops, mobile, and using the Add Pane, you can see all of the screens in one single browser window. Now, there are a couple of tools here. Like for example, if you want a stack pane altogether, you can do that as well. Do you see this? If you want to rearrange your pane, you can use, let's say, the Pixel 9 Pro comes first, or the Mac Pro 16-inch comes first, or the iPhone 16 Pro Max first. It's up to you. All right. Now, the arrow is going to be your inspect element. For example, let's say I'm going to click this one. What will happen is it will give you a back-end code of that specific element if you want to edit that. Okay. However, if you want to unlock the full inspector, you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. And then the global zoom is just zooming out some of the elements. If you want, let's say, for example, the content is around, let's say, 280, or if you want, let's say, a smaller screen like this one, all panes, you can, let's say, refresh that. It's up to you. All right. So let's say in this instance, we're going to do this right now for the panes. That's it. Okay. Not only you can use Pixefy to your website, you can also go to other website and see how they behave and perform. For example, I'm going to choose this specific YouTube channel. I'm going to click the top right corner and use the Pixefy extension. This will help you quickly evaluate how this website performs across different devices and screen sizes. Right now, I'm going to make sure that the site delivers a great user experience. All right. Now, as you switch between different screen sizes, it will help you identify overlapping elements or cut off content, improperly scaled images, or navigation problems that could affect usability. All right, so one of the biggest advantages of using Pixefy is that you can perform these checks directly from your browser without needing to open multiple developer tools. Now, for example, you find a very interesting element, you can apply that to your own website. And that's how easy it is to use the Pixefy Firefox extension to test website responsiveness and ensure your pages looks great across all devices. And with that being said, and that brings us to the end of this Pixefy beginners tutorial. By now, you should have a solid understanding of what Pixefy is, how to install the extension, navigate its interface, and manage panes, test website responsiveness across multiple screen sizes, inspect elements, capture screenshots, and take advantage of its debugging and accessibility tools. So, is Pixefy worth using? Absolutely yes. Pixefy offers an efficient all-in-one workflow that can save a significant amount of time. Instead of constantly resizing browser windows or switching between devices, you can review multiple screen sizes simultaneously, inspect elements, test layouts, and document issues from a single interface. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.